Welcome. In front of me I have GoPro HERO 9 and I'm going to show you how you can hard reset this device. So at the first you have to open the notification bar, then just swipe to enter the preferences. Next we have to scroll down all the way down and enter the reset, and we have to scroll down one more time. Oh sorry, I just hit the camera. And we have to tap on the factory reset, then confirm. Right now it is resetting. Sorry for my English, guys. And after the reboot, the hard reset will be complete. And right now we are able to set up all things one more time. So as you can see, here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.